So I got this comment from one of you. I should teach him how to install a plugin and open that in FL Studio. Alright, and I've already done a video on that, but as we are in new year 2025, I'm gonna teach that again, and this will be the easiest way to install a plugin, open it in FL Studio, add it to your favorite. Alright, if you haven't watched this video, go and watch that. The link is in the description box. How to make your FL Studio run faster. I mean, even the cheapest computer will run fast if you watch this video. So in today's video, we're going to look at how to install a plugin and open that in FL Studio. Let's do this right after the intro. Alright, so the name is Gosa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. We're gonna install this particular free tail reverb tool. Alright, this is a free reverb, and for you to install any particular plugin and open that in FL Studio, you have to extract it. If it's in Power ISO form or WinRAR form, you have to extract. So what you're gonna do is to right click, next head over to extract files. Alright, then next hit OK. So this is gonna extract that for us. Now open the folder, then look for the installation application, I mean the installation. Alright, so this is just the plugin pictures. Alright, go back. Sometimes you need to turn off your antivirus. Alright, but this one, all you need to do is to click on the installer, then hit next. Next, you always have to accept the terms and conditions. Hit next, then you can change the destination you want to install the particular plugin, but I will always go for the default. Alright, so this is gonna install on our C drive, program files, common files, Avid audio plugins. Alright, hit next, then hit install. All you need to do is to wait for this particular plugin to install, and this is gonna install. Alright, next click on finish, and most of the times after installing the 64-bit, I will advise you to always install the 32-bit too as well. Now this optional, but I mostly install both of them. Boom, like that, guys. Next, what you have to do is to open your FL Studio, and I'm using FL Studio 21, the edition version. Let's open our FL Studio, waiting for FL Studio to open. Alright, so when you open your FL Studio, all you need to do is to head over to the add menu like this. Alright, this add button here, add menu here. Then I want you to head over to refresh plugin list, fast scan. This is the fastest way. Alright, I'm teaching you the fastest way to add your plugin to your FL Studio. Wait for it to refresh. So this is gonna refresh and come out with the newest installed plugins. Let's wait for it. Alright, so if you are new here, just subscribe to the channel, give the video a like if it helps you. If you also haven't downloaded these free shaker loops from me, then you can actually click on the link in the description box and download that. It's completely free. So now you can see it is scanning the Waveshell VST 9.61. So it's gonna scan through your computer and come out with any new installed plugin. You gotta exercise patience if you don't have time. Alright, after that, this is gonna pop up, fast scan completed. The plugin found in standard and custom search folders have been added to the browser in plugin database / installed. Alright, so you can actually click do not show this in the future, but I will leave that. Hit OK, and guys, now can you see that? You can now see the tail reverb 2 over here. Alright, it has also detected the arcade, the hive, then other plugins that I've installed already. Alright, so how do you add this one to your favorite? If it's a plugin for mixing, you have to open the mixer track. Then I want you to click here, then head over to more plugins. So these are all plugins installed on your computer. Alright, and for you to add it to your favorite, all you need to do is to click on these stars over here. Alright, when you click here, you're gonna add that to your favorite. So let's add the tail reverb. So we're gonna search here like this. Alright guys, so now you can actually see tail reverb 2. I'm already having the tail reverb 4. So next you have to close this, and now when you click here, you can browse through. Alright, so this is the tail reverb. Let's open. Now guys, you see, this is how you can actually add plugins to your FL Studio. Alright, so you can do this to any particular plugin or VST. Follow the same method. Now that you know how to add plugins to your FL Studio, watch the next video to know how to add sample packs or kits to your FL Studio. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.